Some pirates stole you away, smeared chocolate frosting on your face, placed you in Sarahon's kitchen and proceeded to steal his cake. So they gave you half a minute. Sarahon entered as you finished, licking your lips of incriminating evidence. And now Woods of Jordan, here's what you're rewarded. I owe you for a luscious chocolate cake. And now Woods of Jordan, here's what you're rewarded. A bill for $27.53. Sarahon is getting pissed because you don't call you on your shit, and you're so deep in the closet that you're finding Christmas gifts. And now Woods of Jordan, here's what you're rewarded, and I owe you for a luscious chocolate cake. And now Woods of Jordan, here's what you're rewarded, a bill for $27.53. Jordan, here's what you're rewarded, and I owe you for a luscious chocolate cake.